What is up, you guys? My name is Nico, and today we're going to be riding a motorcycle for the very first time. I don't know what to expect. So I just passed the MSF course last weekend, and I felt pretty good on a bike. But during the MSF course, we were using Suzuki's, and they were 250cc's. And now I'm stepping up to this 1200cc Harley Davidson. So we'll see how it goes. I've never ridden this bike. It's been sitting in my garage for the past 2 weeks, tormenting me. Come on. There we go. So yeah, I have no idea what to expect. I've never ridden a bike on public roads, but I'm feeling pretty good about it, so okay. So far, so good. Woo. They don't look very happy. Let's see how we get out of here. I wanted to ride around a bit more, but they did not look happy at all, so I'm gonna head out of there. I am so scared right now. I don't even know where I'm going. I just wanted to get out. It's beautiful outside today. Okay, I'm doing it. I'm doing it. Good luck, everyone. Oh yeah. I'm on a Harley. Oh yeah, just doing it. Woo! I feel like I know what I'm doing. I don't really know what I'm doing, but hey. I can't see anything with my sunglasses on, so I think I'm gonna take those off. Yeah, I can't see anything, so I'm gonna stop over here and take my sunglasses off real quick. Okay, so first impressions. That wasn't super sketchy. I've done scarier things, I think. Rear brake. I can't see anything on my mirrors. Holy frick, they just shake. Okay, kickstand's up. I'm in first gear, and we're just gonna send it. I wasn't ready for that. She did a little pop pop. Okay, I go now. Good luck, everyone. Oh Oh yeah. I'm chilling. This is sick. I thought it would be a lot scarier being on the road for the first time, but honestly, I'm chilling. I don't want to get cocky though, so I'm definitely going to stay within my limit. I don't want to push it too hard. I haven't even driven in 6 months. Oh, that's so sick. Oh, she pops. Oh. Oh, I wish I could have practiced a bit more in that parking lot, but my tenants did not look happy at all. I tried waving at her and she didn't. She didn't even wave at me once. She didn't even smile. To be fair, I'd be pissed off too if I was in a parkade with this loud thing. She moves! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Pop, 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 pop. Yeah, look at me! Oh, this is a left turn lane. Oh my god! I'm not gonna disguise his window open. I'm not pulling up next to him. Absolutely mobbing through downtown. Oh my god. This is so oh my god. Downshift. Oh! Pop, 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 pop. Hell yeah. Downshift. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm so cool. My left hand's so tired. The clutch on this bike is so much heavier than the MSF bikes, but that's to be expected. I think there's a gas station to the right. I know Superstore's down there, I think. So let's see what's happening over here. Oh, that's a pink bus. Gas! Ah, signal. Another signal. Where can I get gas? Oh, that's a one-way. That was so fun. Am I even recording still? Yeah, I am. Okay, we got gas. Let's carry on this adventure. I want to make more crackly poppy sounds. That was fun. Okay. That's a cool bridge, but you have to pay for that, and I don't have money on me, at least. Actually, in general, after buying this thing, panicked. I don't know what to do in that situation. I guess I just send it. Hopefully he doesn't think I'm a douchebag. I'm not a douche, I'm just new. Oh no, it's taking me to a hill. That's okay, I should learn how to do a hill. That's like the locked area over there. Oh no, that's a hill. That's scary. Oh no, other cars! Watch out, everyone! My nose is itchy, but I can't scratch it. Oh yeah, I can. Go buy a Harley. Hell yeah, dude. If you've been thinking about buying a bike, just go do it, dude. You're not scary. Oh no, traffic. I did not see that coming. This air cleaner is hitting my shin. It kind of hurts. I don't know. Just the learning curve, I guess. Don't hit your shin. I'll have to learn how to get used to that. Shift up into neutral. Give my poor left hand a break. That's a cop. Well, that's another cop. I don't feel like I know what I'm doing enough. Oops. I always get scared when I see cops, but there's no reason. I mean, I was worried about the pipes, but it passed inspection, so I assume that means I'm good to go. That's kind of funny. My first time stalling this bike was in front of a cop. Oops. Bop, 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 bop. Ooh, look at that thing. Hello. Oh, almost lost first. Let's go left, I guess. Oh shit. Almost died. Oh, is this a good beginner bike? Did I make a good choice? I feel like that was just part of the learning curve and not really the fault of the bike. Ooh, I see water. That's a big... Screw that. I am not. Nope, not today. Oh fuck, I'm stuck on the hill now. I guess this is a good time to practice. So rear brake, clutch, out, slightly, gas. It's like I've done that before. I've never done that outside of the MSF. So, whoops. That looks like a main road. I think if I'm going right, the logical thing to do is get as far over left as I can. That way I prevent drifting out at that corner. Much better. I guess I'm stuck in the left turn lane, so I'm turning left now. So Yeah, this isn't as scary as I thought it would be. It's definitely an experience. It feels like I'm just riding a really it's like riding a bike around town, except you're in traffic, so you have to be more involved. You gotta know, you gotta act with traffic, and obviously it's just a little bit faster than a bicycle, but there's a bit of a learning curve for sure. I don't love traffic though. We hate traffic. No. Where's neutral? God damn, I can't find neutral. What the hell? Okay, I guess I'm not getting a break. Can't find neutral. That's okay. I'll stand up. Ugh. Shuffling along. Ooh, another guy on a bike. He's on a Sportster too, I think. Just a couple guys being dudes. Look at him. That guy looks cool. I must look cool too. And that's why you ride bikes, to look cool. Let's go left up here. I've never been up here because I can never bring myself to walk up that hill. Let's take it nice and slow. Ooh, curvy. This is fun. Had to stop at home. Because the battery died. But I'm back outside, have to do some chores. Girlfriend sent me to the market to get some stuff, so I'm gonna run back to the market, get some chores done. First impressions of riding a bike though, like, I don't know, I feel comfortable. It's not as intimidating as I thought getting out in traffic, but I also did go midday, so a lot of people are at work, so the roads weren't too busy, which is nice. I'd probably recommend going in the morning or late evening. Definitely would avoid rush hour, just because it's not fun riding in traffic. But yeah, just get out there. I'm gonna take the fun route home. I like being on a bike. Ooh, a cruise ship. That's not like the thing to do. Go on a cruise? What do you even do on a cruise? Cruise around, I guess, like I am. That's fun. Hey. Okay. Let's go home. What is that? Let's pull a little. Pink bus. What is happening here? No! Fuck it, I'm going straight. No, I'm going. Oh, that's so much traffic. I'm going the other way, fuck that. Oh, that's a cop. That looks so cool. But that's not why you ride a bike. You don't ride a bike to look cool. Yeah, you do. At least I did.